Welcome! Want to create a professional look for documentation site? With BetterDocs, you can design seamlessly. Let's see how. Make sure you have installed and activated both BetterDocs and BetterDocs Pro. When you're on the documentation page, click the Customizer menu from the above to see the available dashboard options. Click BetterDocs and find all your document categories. You can apply any of the available BetterDocs layouts to your Docs page, Single Doc, or Category Archive page. To add a new layout to the Docs page, simply select an option and choose your preferred layout. You can modify the content area background color and make your text font stand out. Adjust the content area padding and width for better spacing, and set a maximum width to keep your content readable on all devices. Adjust category title padding, font, and colors, and tweak column backgrounds, hover effects, and spacing for a clear, interactive layout. You can also show or hide category icons, adjust column border radius for rounded corners, customize the counter size, and change inner circle or list background colors. BetterDocs ensures you create a unique, professional, and user-friendly documentation experience. Once you have applied your preferred layout and customizations, make sure to click the Publish button at the top to save your changes. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.